Hello everyone, so today I've been called out to repair this Baxi 2000. It's a Green Star 2000 boiler. Let me just see if I can show you the data badge on it. It's just there. The problem customers having is that hot water's working fine, so the boiler's firing up. As you can see, somebody's just run hot water in the house, so the boiler's firing up okay, but when they create the heating demand, the boiler's not recognizing this demand at all. So the control, the very first thing I looked at, they have an EPH programmer, wireless programmer. When you create a demand on here, it was communicating to the receiver and the green light was coming on the receiver. But sometimes, although the green light comes on, but the relay inside doesn't make contact and it doesn't send a signal to the boiler. So the very first thing I've done, as you can see in here, I've looped the common to normally open. So basically, the loop that we normally remove from the boiler, and then we connect the thermostat. Let's say I created that loop back here. So now the boiler has constant demand. So in a fashion, this program is bypassed. But as you can see, there's no demand on the boiler. So the next thing, I open the cover up for a quick visual, and look what I found. So with this boiler, let me just isolate it so we can work on it safely. So when you remove this cover, your cables are coming in here. So you have this one, they've not used a 5-core, so they've used 2-3 cores, which is absolutely fine. So they've got live and neutral and earth, and then they have live supply and live return. So that's your loop basically. That's bringing the power and the message, the signal, to this small PCB, and then that's transferring it to the actual main PCB there. But look at these cables. Can you see that grey and black cable there? The cables here. Now this is how I found them. Normally when you have rodents problem, mice chewing on the cable and stuff like that, 9 out of 10 you have telltale signs, you have mice droppings and all sorts, but there's nothing there, literally. Can't see absolutely anything anywhere. Yet, as per customer, a week ago or something, they started to have this issue and their cables are chewed, as you can see. So I'm going to try repairing that. I'm going to see if I can get a new wiring loom for it, or just put 2 pieces of wire and connect it to that. But either way, that's the problem with this one. Visual inspection does normally give you a lot of clues. I've repaired the cable, and as you can see, we have heating demand. Because we turned the boiler off for a slightly longer period, it's gone to siphon fill mode, so that's going to last a bit. As you can see, the demand, the radiator symbol flashing confirms that the demand is back on the boiler. All I need to do is sort the cables on the receiver, because currently it's bypassed, so it's got a constant demand. So I'm just going to put this receiver back on, and that's it. This job's complete. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a line in the comment section below as always, and I'll try to get back to you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Take care, bye for now.